Imagine you and your friends ask your school to install a vending machine, but it's not in their budget. The principal jokingly told you that if you can build one over the summer, she'll install it before the school year started. Challenge accepted. Hi everyone, I'm Malachi. Your job this week is to build a snack machine that gives the user any snack they want. Get creative. This can be as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. Now for some rules. You can make the machine any size, no need to make it full-sized. You can dispense any type of food, real or fake. Think outside the box. Dispense the snacks any way you want, even if it's not realistic in the real world. You can't touch the snack with your hands until the machine dispenses it to you. You can't use a pre-made snack machine. You can't just use a snack box. Your device actually has to dispense the snack. Test the boundaries of your machine. Does the size, shape, or weight of the snack make a difference in how well the machine works? Now some rules to avoid making your parents mad so they let you come back next week. Build your machine in a place out of the way from other things. Ask which food you can use before you load them into your machine. Let your parents use your snack machine for free. Don't have a contest to see who can eat the most junk food from your machine. Don't leave snacks laying around for pets to pick up. Don't have your machine throw snacks all over the place. Don't steal snacks from your siblings or friends. Submit your videos to our website by Sunday, July 7th at 9 p.m. Then, be sure to come back on Monday and Tuesday to see everyone's solutions and vote for your favorites. And most importantly, have fun.
Don't forget, everyone who enters the challenge this week will earn 1 point. And if you include your failures and complete this week's STEM class, you'll earn additional points. You can also earn 5 bonus points whenever you can convince a friend to join their first Invent the Summer challenge. Just make sure you tell them to give you credit.